Today I recorded my first drum pattern using the Toy Box drum kit, and it was a lot of fun. I started with the hi-hat cymbal and recorded eighth notes. Because I had merge recordings turned on, when the playhead started over, I was able to add a second instrument. So I recorded the snare drum on beats 2 and 4. When the playhead started over one more time, I added the kick drum. I hit the kick drum on the 1, the and after the 1, the 3, and the and after the 3. So let me show you what I did.
Starting with the hi-hat cymbal, I'll 2-finger tap and hold and record 8 bars of eighth notes of this instrument. I'm counting along in my head, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now when the playhead starts over, I'll add the snare drum. I'm hitting the snare on beats 2 and 4. When the playhead starts over, I'll add the kick drum. This will be on beat 1, the and of beat 1, beat 3, and the and of beat 3. Now all 3 of those will be merged together and I can play what I created.